Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Duolingo for IELTS prep. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Duolingo for IELTS prep, Duolingo can basically be a supplement IELTS preparation center by improving your general vocabulary, grammar, accuracy, and speed. But it should not be the primary tool due to its lack of academic long-form content. It will just provide you courses about some sort in languages and vocabularies and stuff. So if you want to simply take course of like IELTS prep and stuff, you need to focus on the English course. So you need to select your English course and do some practice lessons there. Duolingo will help you focus on using it as a building language foundation through daily exercises while focusing on IELTS specific practice tests, listening to podcasts, and using academic materials for reading and writing. So this is how you can use Duolingo for IELTS prep. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.